Good morning, YouTube.
Come here. Don't call me yellow.
I recorded you. What's good, niggas? Real Nigga Vlog, episode 6. Can't do that on one hand. Look at the turtle tank, though. I told y'all, after the water settles, that shit clear as fuck. Hold on. But yeah, man, like I told y'all, we got folks in right there. Then where the other turtle at? Oh, this is Goodness. No. Anissa name, this one Goodness, this one Gracious, and then that nigga back there do not have a name. And you can see all, it's some fish in here. I saw these raw ass fish yesterday. Come here, nigga. What's up? I saw these raw ass fish yesterday called albino Oscars. The Oscar is a fish that gets relatively big, I think around 11 inches. Let's turn the table lights on. But yeah, so I wanted to put it in here with the turtles, but of course, the turtles would eat the Oscars. Scoot your leg over. You see the tegus? Kill him. He smelled them and walked away. But I think if I get enough like places where the Oscars could hide and the turtle can't get to them, it should be good. If not, that's just gonna be an expensive meal. That's kind of cruel though, so I probably shouldn't do that. But them bitches look so raw, and they would look so cool in this tank. I just feel like they just need someplace to hide, you know? And I keep the turtles well fed. Right, babe? Yeah. We could put the albino Oscars with the turtles, or no? They gonna eat them. Damn. Oh, we got this whole tub right here. Y'all, I didn't even think about this. The albino Oscars could go in this empty ass tub. Oh yeah, I'm finna go back to that. Why you being bad, boy? Uh-oh. What you in here doing? Sit down. Sit. Look at this beautiful all-white American pit bull. Y'all don't got nothing like this. I paid $900 for this dog. Look at him, he a killer. He'll fuck you up. Yep. Top of the morning. No. Real Nigga Vlog, day 6 though. Let's check on the albino iguanas. These niggas are getting bigger. They look better. But them niggas have not touched the ground. I moved this around because they blind, so I don't want them to eat the substrate, but they ain't even touch that shit. Maybe I gotta make this. So it's hard to hand feed and record, but they definitely hungry. They just ain't going down there to look for the food. Let's see. And this is the male Stevie Wonder. You can tell the difference because he has the tail that's currently being regrown. I'll show y'all, we can spray that. We could spray that in a minute. Oh, don't jump on my face. Under down here, and then just keep the food in his face. Takes a while to get to it, just because he can't see. So he don't know what's in front of his face. Then he realizes there's food and he'll go crazy. But yep, see, but he gonna airball every single time. He don't never get the food. There you go, good job. Yeah, I gotta eat. Y'all gotta eat. You want another one? You want a strawberry? That's my hand, bitch. Here. I dropped it, my fault. I know you want this strawberry. And you just fucked that shit up. I suck at recording. Nigga. You gotta push it in your mouth, nigga. Good job, good job. Good boy. He's still not as comfortable as me rubbing him. Let me grab the female though. This is the female. She always got something on her face. She really like the berries more than the greens. But I'm gonna put her down too. She's crazy. She always tries to either hold on to me or go up on the hammock. All right, here, stay right there. Stay right there, and we're gonna feed you too. You don't want none of that. Good job. Stay. Stay right there. I don't want you on me. Eat some food. Eat. Come on. Y'all ain't eat none of y'all food. And really what I think it is, they just didn't know what was on the ground. They're not used to dirt. The dude before me had them in paper towels. And then they was in paper towels this whole time. So now they're gonna get more inquisitive today because they've been sitting under their heat lamp. No, don't walk off on me. Don't walk towards me either. I told you I don't want you on me right now. Oh yeah, you want the strawberry, don't you? Nope, she's trying to get on me. Stay your ass in your cage and eat this strawberry. You don't want it? Helen, eat the strawberry. Alrighty. So, Helen wants interaction. I don't want that right now. So, here they go. The baby albino iguanas. Looking good. I think I'm gonna add one more lamp up here. Cause it's hot right here, but it could be a little warmer. All right, Helen. She said, leave me the fuck alone. All right. Next, let's wash my hands and we can check on the baby snapper. Alright, so I'm looking at the snapping turtle tank. Let me show you. When I was looking for the shrimp, I had to take out all the rocks because he caught, let me see, 1, 2, there's 2, 4, there's 6 in here, which means we had 19, caught, 12? 13, my bad. And yeah, that's a big one right there. She looked pregnant. So like I was saying yesterday, we saw the coolest fish in the world, man. Like the albino Oscar, that shit was raw as hell. So I'm at least gonna get 2. We gonna see. I always go back and get another one. So, and they only $20. So like, just cool as fuck. But look, this is right next to the tortoise tank. Oh, let's go refill this while we got it. This is right next to the tortoise enclosure, my bad. And I just think it'll look really cool. Really, really cool. And nothing been in here for a while. I'm gonna get the rest of this water out. And then, yeah, man, they gonna have this cool shit to swim through and around. I'm gonna do that a little differently. And I really need to get rid of this. Just like we got for the tortoise. Oh, look, the turtle tank. Look how that's super clear, super clear. All that hard work paid off yesterday. But this came with the turtle tank. We got that big ass tank and those turtles for free. With a lot of gear. That's what I love. One of the things I love about rescuing the animals, we get a lot of stuff that comes with them. Sometimes we don't get anything. That's why we got enclosures ready. But yeah, man. So definitely gonna like this. These are albino Oscars. Look at Bubba. You look really good, Bubba. You are looking really good. Alright, so it's 7 days until Valentine's Day. And I ain't asked, oh shit, Nisa calling me. I ain't asked her to be my Valentine. So I just left out the house. I'm finna go get some flowers and her favorite candy. Cause like ain't nobody never did that shit for her. So, you know, finna do it up real quick. Y'all better stop duking like that unless you're gonna clean it up. Yeah, YouTube. Now we're finna go to Petco. Just mean. She always so mean to me. I got her some flowers and a little heart Skittles thing. I was gonna get her more, but since we moving, she said I can't spend no money unless it's on food, animal food, sometimes a new animal. Barely though. I can't get shit. I'm on lockdown in this bitch. So, it's gonna be worth it though, definitely. Cause we're moving real soon. This turtle water is so clear. It look like SeaWorld in that bitch. Nah, just kidding. But now we finna go to Petco. The niggas up in there cool. They said we could bring the big snake and see how much he weigh. So we're gonna do that. All right, y'all, we just got to Petco. We got the big retic in the back. It was hard to get in this little car. Cause my truck out of service right now, but shit, at least we got another car. So let's go. I don't got no mask. I gotta go get one too. Ooh. Got the big dude in here. Let me see, is he cold? Nah, he's pretty warm. That's good. How much do you think he weighs?
120.
120?
That's too much?
I was thinking like 80 pounds.
Okay.
But we'll see. Nice. Stay 120, stay 120, and I got 80. Yeah, I don't know either.
It feel like 100.
300 pounds.
35 pounds.
Wow.
Oh, yeah.
All right, now you're gonna be holding. I can take a picture.
Yeah.
For real? The beauty of working here.
He's about to share, but he's still really fresh.
You gonna eat me?
You want me to take a picture?
Alright, y'all, so we didn't get the best video, but the crazy part is the snake only weighs 35.8 pounds. We both weak as fuck. There's no way that's possible. I don't even know. That can't be right. I'm gonna take him to the vet.
The vet?
Yeah.
They're gonna make you pay $350.
Yeah, we're gonna get a checkup and let them tell me he's healthy.
Just for them to be like, yeah, it's 35 pounds, and then you're doubting yourself how you know.
Yeah.
No, he's 35 pounds.
That's fucking crazy. I thought this motherfucker's like 80 pounds.
Maybe it's because he like can tense his body and stuff. So maybe like, I don't know, the compression. Oh hell no.
Alright, we finna wait in this Chick-fil-A line. Y'all know how Chick-fil-A be. So, alright, YouTube. Told y'all I was gonna get 2 albino Oscars, but I got 3. So. They match the flowers, but they really for me. I saw them standing out at the pet store, and I was just like, what the fuck? Them things are cool. So, they gonna have this big old tub. I'm gonna fill it all the way up, just like how I do manually, everything else. And I'm gonna just be tired as hell. And it's gonna be worth it. They gonna be cool as fuck. So, let's get them. Alright, man, that's the end of this video. Vlog number 6, I think. Thank y'all for watching. Look at these albino Oscars. Lisa laughing at me because I spent $65 on them bitches and they don't do nothing.
They look dead.
They are nervous, so they have to adjust to the new surroundings.
They be laying down. I've never seen fish lay down.
Oh my gosh, so I'm finna add some water, a lot of water to this. And then, yeah, man, we gonna get the lights on this, so it's gonna look real good real soon. Oh shit, I also forgot. Me and Anissa was both wrong. We went to Petco. I thought that motherfucker weighed like 80 pounds.
Yeah.
She thought the nigga weighed 120 pounds. Turns out this big ass heavy snake only weighed 35 pounds. That don't even sound right.
That girl probably broke.
Gotta be broke. Cause what the fuck?
They were too worried about taking a picture.
Yeah, the people really wanted to hold the snake and take a picture. And it was definitely cool to just show them, but...
And he also said something. In 8 ounces. Like, that make a difference.
Yeah, 35 pounds and 8 ounces. Nigga, this ain't no baby. Shut the fuck up.
We should get weights.
Weights.
Don't
A
we have
35 pound weight.
How much are those?
Those like 5 pounds
Oh.
each.
Them bitches is heavy too.
Oh my god.
Yeah, I need to do push-ups or something.
Alright, man. We finna go get high. Watch the next video. Watch the whole video of this one too. I'ma beat your ass. I'm not playing.
No, it's not.
Watch the whole video. Real nigga vlog, episode 7.
If you don't, maybe they'll watch the next one.
Yeah, well, it's better watch that shit. It's so plain right there. We need to put some. Y'all, let me tell y'all, this gonna be in the next video.